In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a QR code in Canva. So open your Canva desktop and go to create a design. And then I want to create a custom size design. 1280 x 720 is okay. So let's find a background we can put the QR code on. So let's choose a background. Let's find some, we can use this one. And then to find the QR code generator, as you can see, I have it here. That's because I have already opened it and it will go automatically here. But if you haven't done it before, go to apps at the left side, and then you want to search for QR code. And as you can see here, there is a lot of possibilities. The first results, which is called QR code, is the one you are going to use. If you want to use some of the other, it's kind of cool designs of the other ones here, but most of them you have to sign up for. You can try that if you want. Today I'm just going to show you how to use Canva's QR code generator. So just click it. And here you want to enter the URL. I'm just going to use the URL of my YouTube channel. And then I want to paste it inside here. And then I want to click generate code. And as you can see here, we now have the QR code at the middle of the photo here. So this is really how to create a QR code using Canva. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.